Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Systweak.
Broadly speaking, there are just two types of kids in the world. They are either as sharp as Einstein or they just hate math. But do not worry, as learning can be fun too with Kids Math app. This amazing learning app for kids teaches your kids elementary math via an entertaining game. So without further ado, let's learn more about it.
Hello guys, I was just funding for a maths app and I just got a wonderful math app. So let's try it. I'm so excited. We will just try Kids Math app Systweak. Here it came. It's written Kids Math app, new way of learning maths. Let's install it. Okay, it's done. Now let's open it. Let's try the addition. 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's try division. 1 divided by 1, 1. Next is 5 divided by 1 is 5. Let's see multiplication. 2 into 1 is 2. 5 into 1 is 5. Let's see subtraction. If we do something wrong, so let's see. Okay, 5 minus y. So here we will write 4. And then let's check another. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Let's check what's here. Oh, here we can just change the theme like Halloween. Oh, see at the back. Let's change New York. Wow. Okay, now let's check our profile. Okay, now let's go in the settings. Summary. Okay, here not played yet, so it will say not played yet. Now here it's written share with your friends. If you want to share with your friends, you should share because it's a nice app.